wood. I'm about to get a new one, the metal one, but before I didn't have the money, so for those that don't, before they used to be like 80 bucks, but now they're like 30 bucks, so it's like, it's kind of reasonable. You want to spend 80 bucks on a Honda Grom part, like come on, especially a piece of metal. So at the time I made one out of wood and it worked out pretty well till now. If you see it, not noticeable, can't even tell. There we go, just 3 pieces of wood, 3 pieces. One, the back piece was square. There it is. Just do it yourself. Got the wiring in there. It's wet because just took a little wash. So I got some, I was painting something and got some blue on a bike and like the spray can, but it's not like permanent on there. Just kind of washed it off. Got this piece coming in. If you guys don't want to spend 30 bucks, or just make it yourself. Alright, I wanted to show you guys also, we got the Venom lift. If you guys are looking for a lift. This is how it sits on the bike. These are rubber clips.